Hello guys. In this video, I'm going to share. I will be baking this purple sweet potato, and I will mix with the oatmeal. And oatmeal, guys, I already soak in a hot water, and I will be adding this powdered milk and amount of water and healthy sugar and coconut oil. So I will be mixing all these dried ingredients, guys, and then later I will show you. Hindi ko na siya ipakita na magmi-mix ako na dudurogin ko ito. I will mash this sweet purple potato. I'm going to mash, and then later I will show you guys if these all are finished. So see you later. This, guys, I'm gonna be adding also 1 egg. So see you later. Hello guys, I'm back, and now guys, nami-mix ko na siya, and I forgotten, guys, I will be adding also this wheat flour. So see you later. Hello guys, it's now done mixing all the dried ingredients. Here's now the purple sweet potato with oatmeal. So I don't know, guys, how to make the short name of this kind of cake. This is a kind of vegetarian cake. I'm gonna call this purple oatmeal cake. So guys, purple is, I'm using the purple sweet potato. So I will now put this in an oven and start baking or cooking. Hello guys, ito na yun guys, tapos na yun, cook na talaga siya. So yung binili ko na tinapay, ilagay ko yung sa freezer, yung may pang-almusal na ako. This is for my breakfast, or I can make this for snacks. So guys, testingan natin kung masarap. Medyo na nasunog pa ng konti guys. Ayan, pero okay lang yan guys, kasi mahilig ako kumain ng mga ganyan kulay na. So, see you! So guys, ayan na ang aking cake. Tapos na, at yan, hinihiwa-hiwa ko na siya. Ayan, medyo moist siya guys, because this is made of oatmeal. So let's eat. Hello guys, welcome back sa aking channel. Para akong may bangs dyan. So guys, yung buhok ko guys, basa pa kasi I just done shower. So, and I'm not using a blower. I don't want to use a blower. So, yan, hair ko, medyo basa pa. So, guys, ito na nga yun, aking ginawa na purple oatmeal cake. So, kasi kung sasabihin ko, guys, na purple sweet potato oatmeal cake, parang ang haba ng pangalan niya. So, para maiksi naman ang pangalan niya, guys, ang ipangalan ko na lang sa aking cake na own version kong cake. Purple oatmeal cake. Purple because it is made of purple sweet potato, and here it is. It is a kind of moist, guys, because of oatmeal. Dahil sa oatmeal, guys, yun medyo ano siya, malambot. Pero kung gusto niyo siya ng fluffy, yung may mga ilalagay kayo dyan eh. Yes, siguro yung mga ganyan. Wala naman akong ganyan. What I have here, guys, kung anong meron ako dito, yun ang ginagamit ko. It's like the color of my sweet shirt, purple. Yeah, guys, if you notice, I like purple color. Yun, mga purple, mostly mga purple yung mga damit ko. Wala guys, kumuha lang ako ng thumbnail. Akala niyo anong nangyari sa akin, ha? Shout out to all. Shout out sa mga umatin, sa mga support sa aking live streaming. Shout out. One Moment with AMFR. She always support my, almost always supporting my live streaming. And shout out also to my friend, my new friend, Diego Silang. I'm so sorry. Jan Silang, not Diego Silang. Oh my goodness, Jill Silang guys is a hero, is a Philippine hero, right? Tama ba ako? Nabubon ako sa Philippine history guys. Correction, Janice Silang, not Jigo Silang. Shout out to you, my friend. Shout out sa lahat ng mga umatin ng aking live streaming. And yes, every night I'm doing live streaming, guys, trying to raise my WH or public watch hours, which becomes lower public watch hours. Bilisan ko na guys kasi ayusan ko pa yung aking alaga kasi ilalabas ko para hindi siya lagi nakahiga to avoid bed sore. So, kailangan ko siyang itayo at palabasin. Makakatayo naman siya. Yung bang hindi lagi nakakahiga. Alam mo, kasi magkukos ng bed sore yan sa isang matanda or elder people if they always laying down. Ang pangit ko. Very near to camera. I like it. Hindi sa dinadaig ko siya or I said I like it because I am the one cooking. I absolutely like it. It's very simple but it is nutritious. And just a simple sweet purple potato with flour and sugar, a small amount of sugar and oatmeal. And what you can see, this is healthy. A healthy one. And I added our powdered milk. It's not a lot of powdered milk. And what you can see, I did not added ingredients which is not healthy. Everything I added is healthy. Even the sugar I am using, guys, is healthy. That is the kind of sugar healthy. Even the recipe, if I follow a recipe like using white sugar, no, I am no to white sugar. White sugar is not healthy, but it depends upon you. But me, I want to use something healthy because I'm getting older. You know, I want to prepared my aging process. Tama ba ko guys? Basta ipinaghanda ako or kung kaya kong bigyan ng magandang kalusugan or good health ang pagiging papuntang matanda. I'm growing old, so I am trying to use something healthy ones. So guys, once again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red button for subscribe or ring the bell for notifications para updated kayo sa mga videos na upload ko. So try this guys in your home. Try a very simple one but very delicious and nutritious. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Ayusan ko pa kasi ang alaga ko guys. Baka pati dumumi. kaya ganun guys. Kaya imbis na gusto ko pang kumain guys, itigil ko na kasi 3:45 na.